overcome whānau with tears of joy. Although it might not look like it, the aroha in the room is just like the aroha we had at Rautahi Marae. So it doesn't matter where Kawerau goes, Kawerau brings pieces of who they are to whatever space we share. Just proud. Usually my eyes say it all, so you would have sort of seen the emotion. Even though you know it's going to happen, you're not truly prepared for it. And when you're in a room full of your whānau, it's even more emotional, it's real, and the mahi starts.
I'm really excited to have our table that Kawerau has brought to represent us, to represent Te pito o tō tātou ao, the centre of our universe here in the hapori of Kawerau. We have a full suite of representatives, all of our kaitiaki of Kawerau, all 9 elected members, all sworn in now, and we're really excited, looking forward to our term ahead.
I think because we've gotten together before this meeting through the elections and just other gatherings, it's become a lot more comfortable to be around them. I like to think of it as more of a whānau, leading the whānau.
Congratulations, Councillor.